In a previous video, I've created a tab for every single Google Form submission. We created the form, we created the app script, and then we created the trigger. I'm going to go through that very quickly here, just in case you didn't see that other video. But in this video, we're going to not create a new tab, but actually copy a new tab. So when new employees get onboarded, we want to create a new tab for them, but we actually want to take this checklist, copy it, and put their name right here in B1, and then rename that sheet. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. So far, it looks like this. We've created a function called new tab with an event E variable here that gathers all that information from the form. We get the full name from the form. This named values full name is the literal name of the area where they put in their full name. If you say name or your name, you're going to say that instead of full name here. We're going to create a date with utilities format date. We're getting it from GMT 0, but you can change that to whatever your time zone is. And then here is the line where we insert a sheet and we set the name to full name plus the date. So we need to edit this because we're not just inserting a sheet. Let's grab this name, cut it out here, call it name, sheet name equals this. So we're getting that full name and that date, and we're just combining them. But this spreadsheet, we're getting, it's gonna be called checklist with a capital C. And we're gonna call this variable equals, and we're gonna say checklist.copy. Where are we gonna copy it? We're gonna copy it to this exact spreadsheet. Get set name, sheet name. So now, instead of creating a brand new sheet that has blank cells, 26 columns, 1,000 rows, we're going to copy whatever this checklist is. And we also want to insert here B1. We want to find that. Well, let's actually make this a little easier to find. Instead of the date, we're not going to put the date in. We're just going to put their full name. Then we're going to, once we create it, spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet, get sheet by name is going to be full name, get range is going to be B1, set value name. Okay, let's see if all of this works together as promised. Let's go and make sure we have a trigger created that triggers this. Add trigger on the bottom right. Choose which function to run, new tab. Scroll down and event type is on form submit. Save and make sure we authorize it. Once we have that trigger here, well, let's go test it out. Hit submit, go back to our sheet. We have Andrew K. And Andrew K is already filled in with this name. So our form submitted, created the checklist, added the name, and set the name of the sheet here. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more automations, make sure you subscribe here to Better Sheets on YouTube. We're going to make your sheets work while you sleep.